It is the wordless heart-to-heart transmission. Each of the three treasures is equally important.
求道时，点传师点得，右手点完玄关之后，会用左手在玄关前做一个覆盖的动作。此动作之意义为何呢？简单的说，左手的手掌心就像一面镜子，要我们用此自信之光向内照视自己，也就是一般所称之回光返照。自我省察、自我检视，也是修行的开始。
During the Dao receiving ceremony, Dao transmitting Master blocked out our heavenly portal with his right hand and made a gesture of covering it up with his left hand. What does this gesture mean? Simply speaking, the left palm is a metaphor for a mirror. The gesture signifies the constant use of this mirror to examine our inner selves. Self-introspection and self-examination are the beginning steps of Dao cultivation.
每个人自身有个自性真主人在当家，不是由眼耳鼻舌身意六根产生之六种情境当家，也就是说，不被眼见之事物、耳听到之声音、鼻子所闻到之气味、舌头尝到之味道、身体所触摸、